Excuse you? What? Oh boy, I'm about to...
Hey! He shock you!
I'm too old, Mom. You can't put your hands on me like that anymore.
Baby B, are you not going to school today? Baby B, by the count of 5, I want you to pack your bag and leave this house and go to school. I don't want to see you here again.
Mommy, see today. I am still at home and there's nothing you can do about it.
Hey! How many times would they tell you?
What kind of dirty act is that? First to comment.